Okay, let's see how this grid works with the responsive design now. So if I right click here and click on inspect and click on this button, and if I try to compress this, you can see there are a breakpoint. So basically the width is kind of changing on a specific breakpoint. Those are the different device sizes or the media queries which are specified inside Bootstrap. But when I'm in the desktop view, this is the desktop view, we have the same layout. When I get to the mobile view, I still have the same layout. So basically what I want to do is I want to change the layout when it comes to the mobile view. So let's see how we can do that. So I'm going to disable this, close this one, and let's get back to our code. And what we can do now is we can get rid of these options. Okay, so I'm going to type in div container. Okay, and this is where we can use our grid system to work with the responsive design. So it's a div.row. Okay, so here we can specify the columns. So I'm going to say first I'm going to specify the columns for the desktop view. There's going to be div.col. Now for the desktop view we can specify lg, call lg. Now specify this as 8, and inside that I'm going to say div.box. Okay, so let's save this. Let's get back to our browser. Let's hit refresh. You can see that we have this one. Let's add another column over here. So I'm going to get back to my code. Okay, and I'm going to type in div.call lg4. Okay, and say div.box. Okay, so if I get back and if I hit refresh, okay, we get it over here. I'm going to create another row just for reference. So I'm just going to copy this entire thing, just paste it over here. I'm going to change this one to 4, and I'm going to change this one to 4. I'm going to add another one. Actually, I'm going to create around 4 items. Let's make it 3, 3, and the other 2 as 3. Okay, so save this. Let's get back to the browser. Let's hit refresh. Okay, so we have this. So let's right click here and inspect. So this is our desktop view. So when I click on the responsive view, now you can see that each and everything is in a single column view. Now this happens because the media query which I specified here is only for the last screen. So if I get back to the browser and if I maximize this, you can see the breakpoint is here, right? So if I try to compress even more, you can see at exactly 900 something, this kind of becomes a single column. So this is where our MD starts. So what we can do is you can get back here. I'm going to type in call MD. Now I want in the medium screen devices to have the same layout. So call MD8. I'm going to call this one as call MD8, and this one will keep exactly as the large screen. So I'm going to call this as call MD3, and I'm going to click on this one. Let's call this as call MD3. I'm just going to copy this. Okay, let's paste it over here and then over here. Okay, so let's get back. Let's hit refresh. Now you can see that we have these options, but this kind of changed, right? So let's see what we have done. Okay, so this is going to be called MD4. I'm going to save this. Let's get back. Let's hit refresh. Okay, so this is my medium screen size. So when I get to the small screen size, this is the next breakpoint. Okay, here, see everything is a single column now. So I'm going to get back to my code, and here I want everything to have a 2 column. So I'm going to call this as call lg6. I'm going to call this one also as call lg6, and the same thing, oh, it's actually call sm6 and call sm6. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing for all the other stuff. I'm just going to add those classes over here. Okay, let's get back and let's hit refresh. I can see that everything which we created is in just 2 columns. So when I get to the mobile view, we have everything in a single column. So this is by default. So we want everything in a single column because we want the user to navigate from top to bottom, not from right to left or left to right. So we basically, what we have done is now we have built a simple responsive layout for our Bootstrap page.